Accumulators. It's a storage device for pressurized hydraulic fluid, which is used in the hydraulic fluid, a fluid such as oil or water that is used to generate power in a hydraulic system. Blowout preventer stack. The assembly of well-control equipment including preventers, spools, valves, and nipples connected to the wellhead. Braces. A device that holds or fastens two or more parts together or in place. Catline boom and hoist line. A structural framework erected near the top of the derrick for lifting material. Cellar. A pit in the ground to provide additional height between the rig floor and the wellhead to accommodate the installation of blowout preventers, rat holes, mouse holes, or so forth. Choke manifold. The arrangement of piping and special valves called chokes through which drilling mud is circulated when the blowout preventers are closed to control the pressures encountered during a kick. Crown block and water table. An assembly of sheaves or pulleys mounted on beams at the top of the derrick. The drilling line is run over the sheaves down to the hoisting drum. Crown platform. A platform located at the top of the derrick that provides access to the sheaves of the crown block. Degasser. The equipment used to remove unwanted gas from a liquid, especially from drilling fluid. Desilter or distiller. Used to remove very fine particles or silt from drilling fluid. This keeps the amount of solids in the fluid to the lowest possible level. Doghouse. A small enclosure on a rig floor used as an office for the driller or as a storehouse for small objects. Also, any small building used as an office or for storage. Drawworks. The hoisting mechanism on a drilling rig. It is essentially a large winch that spools off or takes in the drilling line and thus rises or lowers the drill stem and bit. Driller's console. The control panel located on the platform where the driller controls drilling operations. Elevators. A set of clamps that grips a stand or column of casing, tubing, drilling pipe, or sucker rods so the stand can be raised or lowered into the hole. Hoisting line. A wire rope used in hoisting operations. Kelly. A heavy square steel member suspended from the swivel through the rotary table. It is connected to the topmost joint or drill pipe to turn the drill stem as the rotary table turns. Monkey board. The derrick hands working platform. As pipe or tubing is run into or out the hole. Mud gas separator. A device that removes gas from the mud coming out of a well when a kick is being circulated out. Mud pump. A large reciprocating pump used to circulate the mud drilling fluid on a drilling rig. Mud return line. A pipe placed between the surface connections at the well bore and the shale shakers. Drilling mud flows through it upon its return to the surface from the hole. Pipe racks. A horizontal support for tubular goods. Pipe ramp. An angled ramp for dragging drill pipe up to the drilling platform or bringing pipe down off the drill platform. Rat hole. A hole in the rig floor 30 to 35 feet deep, lined with casing that projects above the floor. Reserve pits, a mud pit in which a supply of drilling fluid has been stored. It may be lined with plastic to prevent soil contamination. Rotary table, used to turn the drill stem and support the drilling assembly. Stairways, stairs leading from one level to another, protected with handrails. Swivel, a rotary tool that is hung from the rotary hook and traveling block to suspend and permit free rotation of the drill stem. Swivel, a rotary tool that is hung from the rotary hook and traveling block to suspend and permit free rotation of the drill stem.